Many growing organizations underestimate how quickly operational strain builds when IT support cannot keep pace with expansion, security demands, and distributed workflows. For Auburn Industries, that pressure shows up in downtime risk, aging systems, and growing complexity across manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and retail. With a population nearing 90,000, 840 residents, and a workforce spread across multiple high-demand sectors, even small IT gaps can create costly interruptions. Charles Bender, CEO of Attentis Technologies, says, Auburn's economy demands dependable IT support to keep its many moving parts working without interruption. Managed services help local businesses stabilize performance by reducing downtime, strengthening cybersecurity, and supporting hybrid work without overloading internal teams. As operations scale, proactive IT management provides clearer visibility, faster response, and systems that adapt instead of breaking under pressure. When technology becomes dependable infrastructure rather than a daily concern, leaders can focus on growth instead of recovery. You can read the full article on our website and add this to your Spotify playlist.